Hi everybody, welcome back to our 2-minute decorating tutorials. Today we're going to look at how you can add Christmas ribbon like this to your Christmas tree. So I've got two sorts of ribbon here, a mesh and this lovely poinsettia patterned ribbon. At the top, squeeze them together like that, and then I'm going to grab some floristry wire, which looks like that. We sell that in a pack. Twist that around the top of the ribbon, just like that. Now the reason I'm using floristry wire is because this tree, which is a Washington pre-lit, has quite thick, dense tips. So it does make it hard to actually fold your ribbon around the tip. And especially with the lighting, you don't want to damage the wires on your tree. So you just loop it through the tree so it looks quite relaxed and natural. When you want it to come into your tree again, pinch the ribbon, add the floristry wire, just wrap around like that. Then move to the next one. Just move your ribbon apart so you can see both ribbons. And there we go. So you can keep on going with that effect. So now I've added the ribbon to my tree. A nice finishing touch is to add some baubles or even some floristry, like these magnolia clips, to your ribbon, just to finish it off. What you do, thread 2 baubles onto your floristry wire. Just position them around the join. This makes it look a bit neater, and it also adds another decorative element to your tree. And you can alternate the colours and work through to the end, or you could go with something like the magnolia flower and just flip that towards the back. That's quite nice too. And then once you've got your ribbon in different places throughout your tree, like this, you can then start to add your other decorations, your ornaments, more floristry. It's all up to you. Hi everybody, welcome back to the decorating tutorial. Today we're going to look at sprays and how to use them in your Christmas tree. So this is super easy and it creates a really lush, full look in your tree. So this is our pre-lit Washington, and where the branch comes out, you can take one of these sprays, which is complete with the holly, pine cones, etc. Just rest it on top of the branch, like that. Maybe take 2 of the thinner tips towards the back. Use those to secure it into the tree just by twisting. When it's positioned, you can then work your existing tips around the spray, just so it doesn't look plonked there and it seems like a little bit more integrated into the look of the tree. And then you can continue with that look, alternating it throughout your tree. And then you can add your decorations in between. Looks really effective. And you can also do that with things like these. This very gold glittery spray. Just spread it out. Flatten down the top here. You can just add it into your tree like that. Just take 2 of the tips to secure it. Twist them round. And just play around so it looks a little bit more natural. And we've got some other sprays you can do the same with. This type of thing, the champagne, is really quite nice. You can put that into the tree there. And I like how that one kind of comes over. It gives the whole shape of your tree when you have a few in your tree. It gives it a nice symmetry. And this sort of thing as well you can use, but you can actually peel off these sections. So if you just pull down, you sort of get 3 for the price of 1 in a way. Looks like that. Same thing, add that into your tree like that. Twist that wire at the base, it won't come out. And then you can just move the greenery around it just to make it look like more part of the tree. And that's another easy one to do.